quite interesting. Now, as you remember, the 9461 is a major structural point, and we had a selling point below the 9519. So this was our selling point, the 9519, and that's what I want you to do, guys, all of you, to put lines like this on the chart. That's why I probably missed that trade, but look at this, how good this point is. If I had, you see, I didn't do that, so that trade I lost on. If I had this in front of me, and I'm talking to myself because I made a mistake here, I should have had my lines on my chart. I should have gone short right there. And look at this move. It's so important putting these lines, guys, on your charts, because in the heat of the moment you can make your decision. So having said that, it is now breaking to the downside. I want to be short. My bias is to the short side, but again, when something is so obvious, the first thing I have to do is to find a buy signal. In this case, my buy signal is the structure point, the structure long, which is the 9461. So if I look at the intraday chart, you can see that in the chart structure, just forget the 9461. If I look at the chart structure, you can see that the structure on the intraday is actually 65, 9465, which again is 4 pips. But now you have a structure point from the daily. It's very respected and confirmed by the intraday. So with that, that is going to be my buy signal. I'm going to buy above 94.65, and if I do, because this is a structural point, that is also going to be my long stop. Okay, and it is, again, as I said, my structure. So it's going to be my buy point, my structure point, and my long stop. I want to go short. I want to take it below the low of the day in this case. So my short is going to be below, I'm selling below 94.30, and if I go short to below 94.30, I'm placing my stop above the structural point, which is 94.65, and my structure short, that's my structural, this goes away. Let's find out the structural point is to the downside. There's nothing but air, ladies and gentlemen, to the downside, so this is the next structural point, and that is the 93.27. So my short structure, you might get a very nice move towards the 93.27. Okay, that is the dollar Swiss. We're buying above the 94.65, and we're going to place our stop. That's also my structure long. I'm going to place my stop right below it, and my short point is the 94.30, and if I go short, I'm placing my stop right above the 94.65, so I'm risking also the 30 pips on that trade. That is the